holding Mimi. She bit my face for some reason.
She's been a lot feistier lately, past couple of days.
Yeah, like what's up with that? Oh, you are so cute. Mwah. Little booger. You are such a booger. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
They're so funny. Winston.
Thor.
I hear him over there. He's so cute. Hi, Booger.
Little Betty.
So cute. I know, Sugar. Look at your little girlfriends. They're so sweet. Yes, Mama's kitty kitty. They're so beautiful doing this. I love it. They're having so much fun.
They are.
Look at Betty. I don't know what she's digging for, but it is cute. She's digging a bigger hole than anybody. She's the smallest.
Ooh, do not like that wind at all.
Oh yeah, that was a little much. Hi, Winston. Hi, sweet pea. Little Betty. Betty, my little Betty poop.
Betty's like, what the fuck?
She's like, do you mind? I'm bathing. Do you mind? I'm bathing. Winston.
Mimi.
She's like, you're not giving